How to log into your Canva account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on how can you log in to your Canva account in a very simple way. So first of all, go to your browser and click on canva.com. Click on login option on top right side, and here you can see several options to log in, such as through your Google account, your Facebook, email, and even more if you continue with another way. Since my Google account is linked to my Canva account, so I'll simply select continue with my Google account and log in easily without hesitation. And now you can edit, make several templates. You can design, make templates, use templates, make thumbnails, and do a lot more stuff in Canva. So now I have logged into my Canva account, and this is the overview of my account. This is how you can also log into your Canva account in a very simple way. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing contents.